Hi, guys, and welcome back to yet another episode of Fin News. AMC shares up by 15% as Reddit traders snaps the biggest opportunity of available shares dumped by its biggest holders. Private Chinese company Dalian Vanda Group, which invests in malls, sports, and tourism, sold most of its remaining shares in the movie theater company, according to a Friday press release from AMC. The company slashed its stakes to just 0.002% from the previously reported 6.8%, according to Bloomberg, citing regulatory filings. Vanda, which bought AMC in 2012 for $2.6 billion, began pulling out of the company in December after the company posted a net earnings loss of $4.6 billion in 2020 amid COVID-19 pandemic. The year prior, it lost $149 million. United Airlines is offering vaccinated customers a shot at winning free travel as carrier joins a national effort to get more Americans immunized against COVID 19 and derail a pandemic behind the death of nearly 590,000 Americans. New or existing members of United's Mileage Plus loyalty program who upload their vaccination records to United Airlines mobile app by June 22 can be entered to win free flights for a year's worth of travel, the Chicago based company announced on Monday. Peloton said on Monday that it will invest $400 million to build its first factory in the United States to speed up production and delivery of its popular cycles and high-end treadmill machines. After vetting a number of locations, it selected a 200-acre site in Troy Township in Wood County, Ohio, to construct more than 1 billion square feet of manufacturing, office, and amenity space, the company said. Virgin Galactic stocks up by 28% after its successful space flight. The test was conducted on Saturday by the company. It will be a great step towards space tourism. The tests were earlier delayed by 6 months, but successful conduction of tests led to a rise in the company's stock. Oil climbs up by $1, finding support as a US official reportedly said he doesn't see signs that Iran will comply with the nuclear commitments required to lift sanctions on the country, casting doubts that Tehran would soon be able to resume crude exports. Oil prices are roaring back as it seems the Biden administration is having a second thought about quickly lifting sanctions on Iran, and there are expectations for huge demand on global reopening trade, said Phil Flynn, senior market analyst at the Price Futures Group. The biggest weight on oil has been presumed return of Iranian barrels to the market. Revolts grow over the sale of school bus business by Future Group shareholders. The Aberdeen based company's two top shareholders, Coast Capital and Schroders, along with shareholder proxy Glass Lewis, opposed the $4.6 billion sale of First Student, the biggest school bus operator in the US, and outsourced public transport provider First Transit to Equity Transfer. An email in late April from a sale advisor JP Morgan Cazenove to senior executives at First Group, seen by CNBC, addresses one proposal for a $4.7 billion acquisition of the US business. And that was it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.